If you are wondering if there are subscription plans on a Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, then the answer is no. Pretty much every feature is available from the beginning on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, and no subscriptions are required. And you don't have to subscribe to anything to have access to your features that are provided with the Galaxy Watch 9. However, unfortunately, there are some features that are not available for every smartphone. I mean, in order to have access to them, you need to use Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So if you pair your Galaxy Watch 9 with anything else other than Samsung Galaxy smartphone, you will not have access to the Health Monitor app, which has to be downloaded on your Galaxy device, on your Galaxy smartphone as well, to be able to use, for example, these features that I have over here. Couple of additional features, I think, if I remember correctly, that you have here in the Health app, or at least some additional details that can be provided via some of these features that we have here in the Health app. They might also not be accessible if you don't use the Galaxy smartphone. So you might not have access to everything if you don't have a Galaxy smartphone. But the vast majority of features are still available on Galaxy Watch 9, and you don't need to pay for them. There are no additional costs. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.